is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and you can already tell what this video is about simply by the thumbnail and title. However, I'm going to be showing you how to get Shein promo codes that are going to save you tons of money. This will get you at least $100, if not more, depending which code you choose and how many products you purchase. But this is definitely the best method of getting promo codes for Shein that are actually worth using. I mean, Shein is a pretty cheap clothing website anyway. However, that doesn't mean we can't save any more money. These promo codes are going to save you tons of money, and it's ever so simple, guys. So I've decided to create this tutorial and help a bunch of you out. All I ask in return is you press the like button and subscribe. And make sure you follow the instructions carefully, because it can be confusing, I suppose, if you've never done this before. So let me run through these steps, guys, on where you have to go to get your Shein promo codes for 2023. So grab your phone and open up the internet browser. You can do it on your computer, but it's just so much more simple on your phone, and you'll understand why as I keep going through the process here. So basically, guys, go to this website. So you got to go to type it exactly like I'm going to type here. So you go directly to www.speedycoupons.com. So www.speedycoupons.com, and you have to make sure you go directly to the website because you're probably going to struggle finding it otherwise. And when you reach the web page, guys, you can see there is this search bar here. So if you can't immediately find the Shein page, go to the search and just type in Shein here, and you're going to have that pop up. So tap to open that page, and as you can see, this is the Shein coupons and deals page, and the codes are somewhat limited. There's 700 coupons left as of 31st of August, but hey, these codes are always replenished, so there's no panic there. So you can see we have multiple codes we can choose from here. For Shein, there's a $100 Shein promo code, which is the one that I mentioned. There is a 50% off your order code. So basically, if you're doing a large order, this 50% off one probably will work out more beneficial than the 100. There is a special one here, which is a $750 Shein gift card. I'm going to make a new video for that, but that is on there. And there is also 10,000 free Shein points, and you can redeem those points and get some free clothes. So basically, guys, in this video I'm going to be choosing the $100 Shein promo code, but the process is the same no matter which code you choose. So yeah, it's a universal process. So let's click show coupon. This is a $100 Shein promo code, and you can see it's given us sort of the start of the Shein code, but we need to unlock the full code here. This is just a way to protect the codes from robots, so there's an extra step we need to complete, but it's pretty easy. So basically, guys, this is the extra step, and it's pretty easy. We just need to follow these instructions and complete 2 of these things here, and these range from, you can see here, you can read the description below, so fill out your personal details and confirm. Alternatively, you can sort of download a game and download and complete level 8. So just make sure you read the description and choose 2 that you don't mind completing. I'm going to click on this top one, and I'll just have to answer the questions, and then, as it said, fill in some details. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll choose a second one as well. Let's go back. Which one do I want to do? This bottom one, register, choose and start a free trial. So let's click on that one. Like I say, you can choose any 2, and they're going to be different depending on your country. So they're country specific, but they're always free, so it's good. So you can see I just need to complete this one by entering in my email. So let me do both of these and I'll pause the video because we're already at 5 minutes, and I'll be back once I've done them. Right guys, so I just went ahead and finished both of those tasks. Pretty easy, only took me a minute or two. But like I say, you can choose any two of these tasks. You just have to make sure you do fully complete them for this to work. Now once you've completed two, press the tabs, and now you can see this tab has popped up here. So it should pop up after you've done two. If you've done two of those tasks and it hasn't worked, do a third, but 90% of the time it works after two. Open this tab and it will reveal your personal Shein promo code. So this code is generated just for me. One of you can grab this because I'm not going to be using it. But once you generate your code, guys, you can simply copy it. And when you enter this into the Shein basket or at checkout, it's going to remove $100 off your order. So you have to go to speedycoupons.com and you can get your very own personal Shein promo codes. There are multiple different codes, like I said, so yeah, choose your code, follow these steps in this video, and if you have any questions you can leave a comment below. You need to make sure you go to www.speedycoupons.com, and yeah, it takes a few minutes to get your code. Hit the like button, let me know in the comments what you purchased using your code, and I'll see you next time.